You're fine.
Didn't start dinner till late, so just so you know.
Well, technically, mine's sitting here. I just can't bring myself to eat it.
I know, I ate half of it before we started, but the other half is staring me in the face, so.
I had Taco Bell, and it just didn't set well.
Oh, I hate that. I mean, I love Taco Bell, but I hate when it does that. Okay, we're live. We've been live. That's funny.
Yeah, nice. That's a good intro.
That's a good way to start.
Hey, whatever works, you know?
Okay, question 3. What requirements must be checked when conducting a hypothesis test comparing two means with independent samples? Mark all that apply.
More than one.
Where did my textbook go?
I'm pretty sure the first one. The last one. No. Never mind, not the last one. What exactly does U stand for? Like that weird U.
Mean.
Mean, yeah.
Okay. I don't think it's that one.
I don't either. Maybe it's just the first one. Oh, X is normally distributed for each group.
Yeah, I had that one.
The first and
Yeah.
second.
What we could do is each of us check one, and if we get partial credit, then we know that that one's right.
I'm pretty sure it's just the first two.
Okay.
Same here.
Yeah.
But we'll do it the boring way. All right, this first one, number 6. This has been killing me. I don't know how to get the degrees of freedom. Is that done in the applet?
No, it
No.
should. Once you input all of the numbers in the
SPSS?
yeah, or Excel,
Yeah.
it should just show up in one of the boxes.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, dentist office bills.
So, yeah, say when you put it in there, what did you get, Sarah? Because I'm showing like 37.996 for degrees of freedom.
Are you just doing the Idaho Falls office right now?
No, I put them both in, and then because there's a tab to sample t-test, and you can put both samples in, and it just gives you the data for both.
There's a tab for two sample t-test?
There is on the one I'm looking at, quantitative inference procedures.
Oh, got it. Look at that. Okay, and did you just do all of them?
Yeah, I just copied in, well, I mean, I copied them in separately, but yes.
Right. Okay, cool. Then that's what I'll do. Let me just put them in.
So I'm a little confused on how to use this SPSS because I just want the mean for the Idaho Falls. How do I get it to give me the mean only for the Idaho Falls ones? I'll just do it on my calculator.
I don't know how to use SPSS.
Yeah, I couldn't figure it out. And I mean,
Well, this will
again,
be my last week using it.
Yeah.
Last
Again,
week,
we
the
found out-
instructions were pathetic on how to do stuff.
yeah, well, I mean, again, it's an application that I'm never going to use again. You know, I mean, I
Yeah.
asked the people who do all of our statistics in the entire hospital for the network, and they looked at me like I had 3 heads. They're like, dude, Excel.
Like, what are you talking about?
Well, yeah, it was seriously,
They're
yeah.
not doing anyone any favors then with this.
No,
Yeah.
I agree.
Okay, so leave for the degrees of freedom. I have 37.996.
That's what I have.
Okay.
And then I'm showing for your standard standard dev 206.637.
For variable 2, which is your expert, 206.637, you said?
Correct.
Yeah, that's what I've got too.
And then number 8, I'm showing test statistic of negative .0.434.
Wait, you're telling me Excel tells you all of that?
Yeah, just right here. It's like it's a different Excel sheet. It's called quantitative inference procedures.
Okay.
And so you just take the data from the ones that it gives you from the textbook, and then you just copy and paste into quantitative inference procedures, and it shows you everything.
Yeah.
Serious?
Yeah.
That's even more annoying.
Yeah.
I've been having to do like all these annoying equations and stuff to figure out everything.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
thought you knew it all,
Super
man. I'm
lame.
sorry.
That's so good to know, though.
Yeah, well, I think one of the quizzes that I had to do by myself because I was doing something, I can't remember, and my husband's group, because their class doesn't use SPSS, they just use Excel files, and it is so much easier.
Yeah.
So
It
he
is.
showed me because I was like, how do you do this? Because I didn't take the quiz with their group either. It's like, I don't know how to do this, and he goes, let me show you. He was like, what are you using? I was like, I don't know.
Yeah.
Like, just use this, and he showed me how to use all the Excel files. So, and it's so much easier.
Huh.
Yeah. So did you guys meet up early this week?
No.
All right. Yeah, I tried sitting down Tuesday, and just as I was actually thinking I was going to finally get to start on some of this, I got paged out for a nursing home fire. So
Oh no.
104 patients was a busy night.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Crazy. Yeah, I just sat down and went along with my husband's group and did it with them.
You're so lucky you got that.
It's
Yeah,
really
sorry I didn't get back to you, Jordan. I was tied up.
No, not a problem, man. I don't know.
Okay. So Lee, what did you get for 8?
Oh, for 8 was negative 0.434.
So the test statistic is T.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Wait, so you said negative 0.434, right?
Correct.
I
What?
I
really
mean,
too long
that's what
memory.
T is, right? Is the test statistic.
Yeah.
Or am I just too simplifying something like that?
No, you're right. Okay, for some reason my quiz just like went blank. So hang on, I have to fill in all of
Yeah,
it.
you're fine. No worries.
If it's just giving you those, could you give me 6 and 7
Just pull
there,
on
Lee? Sorry. I'll probably do this later again. Excel.
Timeouts. Oh, girl. Don't do it. Don't do it again.
Why don't you bust out the shot collar if she's being that bad?
Shot collars are the best things ever invented.
That's
Yeah. We've been really good. We haven't had to use a shot collar here lately, but she's had an attitude.
That's the only way we could train our dog.
What did you say 6 was, Lee?
6 is 37.996.
And then 7 was
206.637.
And does it give you the p-value?
Sure. Yeah, p-value rounded to 3 is .667.
Cool. And then, all right, so p-value is greater than, then we fail to reject, right?
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because if it's less than 0.05, then
Then you
You
reject.
reject the null hypothesis. Yeah.
Okay, so suppose instead that you had used the alternative hypothesis. What's the correct decision based on the evidence? So if we fail to reject, then we have insufficient evidence. That they are.
Testing to see.
I have no idea, Celeste. It may be out in the truck, I guess.
Maybe this will be distraction.
To reject the two cities are the same.
Are we trying to see if they're the same, or are we trying to see if they're different?
It doesn't. Is It doesn't really specify.
Oh wait, it says performer
It
hypothesis
says
test if the mean of the Idaho Falls office is less than the mean of the Rexburg office. So this one
second one, that the two cities are different.
are different, yeah.
Good call.
Okay, so for this one, freshman dinner. Miles? How do I pull up files that I've struck?
Oh, we might have had a little boo-boo. I'm not sure. Hey, Sarah,
What?
when we calculated this on the spreadsheet, what did you have the type of test set to?
Not equal to?
Okay.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah. I just saw
Crap. Jordan, we have to go back.
That's okay.
Oh, wait. It's all the same except for the p-value.
Right.
Whew. So get rid of that.
You'll find my p-value.
Okay. Jordan, so the new p-value is 0.333.
Say that again. Sorry.
0.333.
0.333.
Yeah.
Sorry, I just noticed it. That's why I brought it up.
No, you're fine. I'm glad you did because I hadn't noticed.
Did they give us an alpha on this? Yeah, 0.10. All right, so the p-value with the less than puts us greater than, and then it still is greater than with the not equal to, right? Yeah. Celeste, can you turn down a bit? Sorry, my wife's in the other room watching Murder, She Wrote.
My husband's in this room watching Futurama.
He likes that show?
I love that show. I'm the one that introduced him to that show.
Maybe I need to give it another try.
It is so funny.
12 is A.
Hang on. What did you change the type of test to? Greater
For-
than?
No, well, the original would have been less than, and
But for the freshman dinner.
hold on, you lost me.
Wait, what?
What freshman dinner? Where? Huh?
For question.
Oh, I haven't even gotten to that one. What was 11?
Oh, 11 is the second one. Sorry.
I'm like, what are you talking about? All right, now let me go down here and take a look at this one. Okay,
Okay.
so I gotta go open a freshman dinner. All right.
Oh, so it's just not equal to. This one is. Okay. Yeah, Jordan, once we teach you how to use the Excel files, you will be so grateful.
Oh, I shall.
Oh my gosh, it's
3
awesome.
hours on the quiz on Tuesday. It's miserable.
That
Yeah.
really does.
I only got one attempt at it because that's when I got paged out.
Oh no!
It's like, oh well, life goes on.
45% or whatever.
Yeah.
You got a 45%?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Not your fault.
Yeah,
Well,
we
Someone's taking the blame. Just give it to him.
we we went backpacking over Memorial Day weekend and got back on Monday. And then we went to my grandparents' house for the rest of the day, and they live just outside of Blackfoot.
Ooh.
And so by the time we got back, it was, 9:30? I was like, dang, now I gotta take that stupid quiz.
Ugh.
All right, so Sarah, for your for the one that we were working on here, the freshman dinner thing,
Uh-huh.
did you just leave off those last two 14s in the first column? Because I'm showing the freshman students from Utah is 2 values longer than the Colorado.
That's what I have too. I didn't leave him off. I still put him in there.
Well, wouldn't they play against?
I don't know.
I don't remember. Jordan, any ideas?
Which one?
Which one are we on? The freshman dinner thing.
12? 12 is the first one.
Yeah, we got that part. The 13 though. When you look at the spreadsheet, the Utah side is 2 values longer. So there's like 6 or 15 or 12 or whatever results as where there's 10 on the other. Don't we have to remove 2 of those? Don't they have to equal?
I don't know.
Well,
I don't
didn't we
remember.
say- well, if that's true, then the very first one, question number 3 would also have to be D, but we didn't mark that.
I thought, as I think about it, and I'm looking at it, and it just doesn't look symmetrical in my brain. It makes me wonder.
I don't know.
Hold on, I'm
Would it-
trying to look it up
I'm looking
here.
in the notes.
Wouldn't they tell us that we would have to remove
I
some?
thought I read it somewhere. That's the thing.
Oh,
But like I said, I've been kind of busy.
no, you're fine. I know.
Don't remember what I read.
And I don't remember reading that at all, so if you remember that, then we gotta change something.
Because I thought for it to be paired, they had to be equal.
Oh, really?
I'm going back and looking, see if I can double check my notes here.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't see anything.
Because all it says right here is that a simple random sample is drawn from each population. And then the population mean is normally distributed for each group.
Yeah.
I don't know, should we try it and then if we get them all wrong, we'll have to change them? Because I honestly don't know.
Yeah, give me just just a second. Let me take a look.
Okay, you're good.
Celeste, is my pager going off?
I don't think so. Where would it be? Is
It's,
it on the ironing board?
yeah, it's on the ironing board.
Give me a second. 'Cause I'm not hearing it, but you're actually closer to it than I am. See, can I have my leg, baby?
All right, so let me go Google this because something just doesn't feel right about it.
Okay.
Mwah. Thank you. It says
I think our test is the
AM
13th.
5/28/16.
That's
So,
why.
Okay.
I don't think so.
Yeah, that's bugging me. I don't remember.
Well, let's try it, and then if we get it wrong, we'll get rid of those last two.
Hey, wait. Look. Yeah, no, I think he's right actually.
Okay.
If you look on page 25 of the notes, it's talking about mean hours of sleep. It says, notice that the control data for subject number 11 is missing. It's not possible to compute a difference for this person, so their data will. Well, yeah, so there's differences. There is no difference there, so you can't. So they just get rid of the last row, it says.
Okay,
They don't have a pair.
that's what I thought.
Did we get rid of the last two 14s?
Yeah.
I guess
Okay.
I mean, we could probably. I mean, if it's really easy, punch it in both ways, and I'll plug mine on in the wrong way. I don't know.
No, that's fine. We're good.
You're good with letting me get it wrong. I will do that.
No. No. I mean, I'm good with just taking those off. Because you're right, it makes sense if they're paired. Like the last two obviously don't have a pair, so you need to get rid of those.
Right.
Yeah. Lee knows what he's doing.
I don't know how I know it if I know it, but hey, I won't turn it down.
Okay. Value.
So your p-value 0.286, right?
And for the test statistic, did you get 1.104?
Yeah. Okay.
And then we failed
Reject.
right?
Did that just go off again, Celeste?
0.05. Yeah, we failed to reject. I was thinking it was just 0.5, sorry.
Your page is
Okay,
thanks.
so I can't remember how to do 16, but 17 is negative 1.839.
I'm sorry. 17 was what?
Negative 1.839. And 18 is 5.839. 5.839. Okay. Now for 16, we just have to determine a 95% confidence interval.
Okay. So let's just turn the pager to vibrate. They're clearing issues apparently from yesterday.
How do I clear it to vibrate?
I'll get it later. Just set it down.
There was this.
I'm sorry. What
Good,
did we say 15 was?
It's been like 15 years since I've had a page.
Fail to reject.
Sorry, I was getting messages from work.
You're good. What'd you say,
16.
Jordan?
There's this one website that is really good for figuring out margin of errors, but I can't find it, so ignore me.
I just can't remember.
Okay, so we're trying to get the 95% confidence interval thing.
Yeah.
Give me a second. Okay, margin of error. I'll try to not cough my way through this. If I remember the notes that he sent us, margin is M equals Z times standard dev over sample size.
I think you're I think it's.
I swear I thought that's what it showed on the page.
No, yeah, I think you're really close.
Isn't it Z?
It's square root of n.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, yeah, square root of n.
Because it's mean divided by standard deviation times the square root of n.
Yeah, so 95% is 1.96 or whatever.
Yeah.
And so, yeah, let's just punch that in.
So just put it in the applet.
No. Because we got to do the math.
And then what's the standard deviation? Do we know that yet?
Oh, SDev is. Wait a minute, we got two different standard deviations. Because there's two different variables.
What? Well, it says interval for U1 minus U2. So I think it's just.
Hold on. I know what to do then.
Yeah.
Control Command V. Boom. Okay, so how about 5.164?
Wait, is that the standard dev?
Standard deviation for the differences.
Is 5.164?
For the differences, right.
Oh, okay.
That's, oh crap, which one's
And
variable what?
wait, what's the sample size? Like 9, wasn't it?
Sample size is 10.
So divide by square root of 10. I get 3.201.
3.201.
Yes, sir.
For the margin of error?
Yeah.
Well, let's try it. Oh, we're done. Wow. Okay.
And so then the lower bound is just the mean plus that, right?
Well, the lower
No.
bound is negative 1.839.
Right,
Wait, negative 1.839?
Uh-huh.
right.
And then upper bound would be
5.839.
5.839.
Mm-hmm. Okay. I'm submitting. We'll see what happens. Oh, we missed 12 and 13 and 14 and 16 and 17 and 18. What?
No way.
That means we got the spreadsheet stuff wrong.
Right.
You got 12 wrong?
Yeah. I got a 73%. Wow. Okay.
Okay, so we know that 13, you said 13, 14. Okay,
How did we do that wrong?
I'm not sure. It's the same problem I had on Tuesday night when I tried this.
Oh, yeah, 12 is the second one. We got that wrong. It just says a different number of times than freshmen from Colorado. It doesn't say more.
Right.
I think we just
Oh,
like
yeah.
assumed
Duh.
they're Mormons and they're weird.
Okay. I'm going to start my second quiz, so hang on.
I'll submit this one and see what we get right now.
Oh, she just did that.
I know. I'm saying I didn't submit mine yet, so I'll try it the second time.
Well, don't submit it yet because we need to change all the answers we got wrong.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Oh.
I'm not as dumb as I look, Sarah.
No. I guess I'm not understanding what you're saying. Maybe I'm dumber than I look.
I'm gonna do what you just did after we change our answers.
Oh, I thought you meant right then. I was like, wait, no.
We're on the same page.
Okay. Yeah, maybe I am just dumber than I look. Okay, so what was 6?
Wait, 6? Really? We got that wrong?
No. I'm filling in everything again.
37.996.
And 7.
206.637.
8.
Negative 0.434.
4. 9.
0.333.
And then 10 is fail, right?
Yep.
Okay, and then 11's the second one. 12's the second one. Okay, so for 13 and the rest, should we add the 2 14s at the end of the first column and see if that changes it?
Give me a second. I think I'm onto something here.
Okay.
Let me take a look and see how far off I actually am on this, if my thought process works.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, let's see here. All right, so I think we might have just used the wrong spreadsheet entirely. It may be that we need to use the paired sample test for means, because when I put it into that one, I see a different confidence interval working off the freshman dinner because I still had that original sheet open.
Okay, because even when I put the 14s at the end, the test statistic and the p-value are the same, so I think you're right.
So I'm thinking we need to go back to the tab labeled paired sample
Paired
test.
sample, right, okay.
And we got 16 wrong, right?
I don't remember.
I think you said 16 was wrong.
I think all of the last ones were wrong.
But
Still
so
missed
were the
that.
ones though for the dentist Bill's office thing, right?
No.
Those were right?
Yeah. I think. Oh,
I thought you said 13, which is oh, you know what?
Well, you can go back and see what you submitted before, right?
Yeah. Hold on, I'm gonna find
well,
out.
because 13, yeah, we missed 5. 13 on, and that was all for the dentist. I mean, the freshman dinner.
Okay, so question 3 we had wrong.
We had question 3 wrong?
Yeah, because I'm only showing half a point for 3.
Half a point.
Yep,
So
that's the one that's got multiple answers.
yeah, so you answered the first 2, right?
I answered first 2 and the last one because we determined sample size had to match for this, had to be the same.
And you got a 0.5.
0.5, that's correct.
So unclick the last one.
Does that even make sense? How do you get 50% correct when there's 3 answers?
Thank you. Yeah.
I don't know.
That doesn't even make sense.
Okay, let me, because I only
Okay,
did the first 2, so let me see if I got 3 right. I can't remember.
Wait, I think that means that the third one is right. That's the only way I can think of it. You click out of it has to include all 4, which means that the third one is right.
all right, so here's the thing. From what I'm showing, we got 13, 14, both wrong.
And 16, 17, 18.
16, 17, and 18, and that's even after I updated it, thinking I was using the wrong sheet. So, I don't know.
Okay, so for 3, I only put the first 2 and got 1 out of 1.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, then it's the first, second, and third then.
No,
It's just first and second.
just the first 2.
Okay.
Because I got full credit for that one, and I
That
just
doesn't make any sense why you only... Okay, all right, I'm confused then. All right, I'm good. Wrong. So 13, we got the wrong.
Lee, even after you plugged it into the paired sample one, you got them all wrong?
Yeah.
Son of a... Okay.
Oh, what? Finish your sentence.
Son of a monkey!
Okay.
Son of a crappy textbook that doesn't teach the material. What? Oh,
For real.
because I don't understand what we did wrong. I mean, we did it exact. Everything's entered in correctly.
Did you delete the last 2 on the paired sample t-test?
Yeah.
Lee?
Yes.
You did?
Oh,
Maybe
yeah, I removed them.
Maybe that's why we got them still wrong. So, because I only have one more try left, Jordan.
Wait, I haven't used my first try yet. Yeah.
I know, I was just going to tell you to input the questions and then submit. I'm going to leave the last 2 for the Idaho Falls one and see if we get them right. Okay, so for 13, what is the test statistic? Jordan, it is 1.225.
All right.
No, it's not. Pretty sure that was wrong.
Because
That's what we had the first time, wasn't it?
No, the first time we did 0.845.
Wait a minute. Which spreadsheet am I working on here?
Lee, what did you put after you updated it on 13?
Oh, I haven't updated it yet. That's the thing. So 13, what I had was 1.104. I'm not even sure where I got that. No, I'm all confused.
Weird.
All right, well, why don't you feed Jordan data? We'll see if it's right.
Okay. So yeah, test statistic is 1.225.
All right.
P-value 0.252.
Failed to reject, right? Yes.
Yeah.
And then 16.
You have to do the math again.
Is the sample size still only 10?
Yeah, it should be.
So we do 1.96 times, and then the p-value. Wait, what was the standard dev?
5.164.
That's what we had the first time.
Well, it would be the same though,
But
because they're
didn't
the same variables.
is that wrong?
Was 16 one of the ones that we got wrong?
Let me go look. Yeah, 16 I think was wrong. Let me double check it.
Wait, you put in 3.201, right? For 16.
I don't remember.
No, I've got 3.2 for some reason. It said 3.201 initially.
It changed it to 3.2. And you got that wrong, though, right?
Yeah, it was wrong.
That's, yeah, so are we sure on this p-value? You said 5.164.
For the standard deviation.
Times 1.96. 3.201, yeah. I'm not
Well, we'll find out when you process it, I guess.
I just have no idea. Okay, so 17 is negative 1.694.
Wait,
No, it's not. I have negative 1.694 in there. That was wrong.
Oh my gosh.
And the upper bound was wrong, 5.694.
How are we doing this wrong? I don't understand.
I have no idea.
What on earth?
Oh! I think I see what we're missing.
What?
Yeah. It's the mean. It's sample mean. M is equal to the mean. Right? What's the sample mean again?
Well, that's the thing. There's two different set of samples. There's the differences.
Yeah, we're just looking for the difference. The mean of the differences.
The mean of the difference is 2 from what I see.
So 2.
Sarah, do you concur?
Yeah.
So you say 2.
Yeah.
Why do I have 2 plus or minus? Okay, because I'm looking at my notes and I have x plus or minus 1.96 with EV over square root of n.
Just like it.
Is that right?
Sorry, say that again. I had to get my pager. I can't take the beeping anymore.
Big time. That was a little time. That was a little time. You're finally hungry?
Much better.
I just don't know what on earth we could possibly be doing.
Well, I don't either, because I mean, we used the same method entering the data that we did on the first round, and we got those right.
Yeah.
There's so many different equations on Google.
I know.
Um, oh. What exactly is the point estimate? I don't remember how to find that. So, does it give us that, the point estimate?
No. The point estimate, if I remember, is either just the standard deviation or just the mean. I can't remember.
Okay, wait. What does the sample mean again? I'm sorry.
2.
Okay, so 5.164.
Yeah.
And then we got
Because the last 2 samples for the variable 1, the Excel sheet just disregards them anyway because they don't have a pair to them. So it doesn't matter if we have them on there or not. It doesn't change anything.
okay, wait. And so what was? All right, so I get 5.201.
For the 95% confidence error?
Yeah.
What did you have, Lee? For 16.
He had 3.201.
Yeah, yeah, and I just got the same thing again, because I just went out and Googled, how to calculate the margin of error for a sample mean,
Yeah.
and it tells me it's the same thing I thought it was, which was z times the standard deviation divided by the square root of the sample, the number of samples or whatever.
I've got the equations I've got, and I have my notes from Tuesday, though, have an x plus. Do you know what that is?
No idea, because when I actually go and look at, when I pull up the splash page for this class, it actually shows a formula. Let me see if I'm looking at the right thing. Let's see. It says, this is from week 6, question 12. Assuming the relevant requirements are met, calculate the margin of error. And he shows how to work it out. And he shows it as m is equal to z times the square root, the standard deviation divided by the square root of n.
Hmm.
Calm down.
Wait a minute. Hold on. Lesson 11. Everyone did well on lesson 11 quiz, but the most commonly missed problem was 6, related to finding the p-value from the rates and returns. But that's SPSS. I don't know if that's different than Excel. Where people went wrong on this was forgetting to divide p-value that was given by SPSS by 2. But it doesn't say if Excel gives the same. I don't know. I really don't have a clue. I say take your best guess, Jordan.
This is so frustrating.
Immensely.
You know what? I'm just gonna put all these answers in and get a 73 and be okay with it. What?
Did you figure something out, Jordan?
No.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna try something, but all right. Wait. Let me try this, and if this doesn't get one right, then FOL. FRLS. Nope.
Calm down.
All right. And then I got. All right. Wait. I just want to. Okay. I'm just gonna submit this then.
Okay.
So 13 we got wrong.
Yeah.
14 I still have wrong. Yeah, we got everything wrong still. Great. I don't know how that got wrong.
I have no idea.
What did I get? 78%. Yeah.
Because you fixed 3.
Yes. Yes.
Well,
Yes, sir.
I think I'm okay with a 78, and if my husband's group gets them right, I'll let you guys know how they did it.
Please, because I don't understand what we did wrong.
I don't either. So I'm just gonna submit. I'm done.
Wait, no, you shouldn't submit your second one yet. Keep your first one and wait till he does it, right?
Well, this is my second one.
Well,
Yeah,
I mean, her though. Or both.
Oh.
Yeah,
Oh,
she
yeah.
and I are both in the same boat.
Well, yeah, but he's saying because my husband's group will do it, and if they get them right, I can change my answers
Yeah.
and then let you guys know. So, Lee, if you wanted to just save. Wait, it's due tonight, though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Tomorrow night. No.
Is it tomorrow? No, it's tonight.
No, it's tonight.
Today's
Is
Thursday.
it?
Yeah.
Because they're not having their group meeting till 9:30, Lee, which is 10:30 your time. I don't know if you want to stay up till 11:30 to get answers to this quiz.
Yeah, I doubt I'll be awake that late because I have an early class in the morning.
Okay, so I mean, I'll still let you guys know how they did it.
If they get the right answers, will you text them to me?
Sure.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Trying to recover from.
What did we say 15 was? Did we get that one right?
Yeah, 15 was reject. Oh, wait.
Failed reject.
Fail to reject. Yeah, sorry.
But we got 16, 17, and 18 wrong.
Yep.
Okay.
Hey, I got 14 right.
How did you get 14 right?
I don't know, but it's 0.411.
Wait, 14.
Well, hold on. Let's see if we can work that backwards.
Okay.
Okay, so
Oh, wait, yeah. Where did you get that from?
I don't know. I really have no idea because the p-value that I'm showing right now is 0.252. But let me look at. But then I go to the 2-sample t-test, and the p-value is 0.412. I mean 411.
Now wait a minute. So you're looking at it in the 2-sample.
2-sample t-test tab, yep. So why did we get them wrong the first time?
Then why is it you're seeing different numbers than I am?
In
when
the
we have this?
2-sample one?
Yeah, because I'm looking at the 2-sample t-test, and I've got just. Do you have the 14s on that?
I do.
Oh wow, that really threw a huge
Yep.
jump on. Interesting. So what are you showing then for the confidence interval on that?
The lower value is negative 2.214. And the higher value is 5.147.
Huh. Yeah.
Wait a second. Ah! 5.147, you said?
Uh-huh.
And then so 18 would be. Wait, what was 16 again?
We haven't done 16 one yet.
Yeah, I
That
know.
we have an answer to.
How do you know 17 without knowing 16?
Because it shows me in the thing.
Yeah, 17 is the lower bound. 18
Right.
is the upper bound.
And it shows me right here the confidence interval, lower bound and upper bound, but it doesn't show me like what percentage they are. Does that make sense?
What was the upper bound then? What's 18?
5.147.
Oh, I put that in for the lower bound. So what's the lower bound?
Negative 2.214.
Say that one more time. I have the worst short-term memory in the world.
Negative 2.214.
I have really good long-term memory, but my short-term memory is like half a second. Can we go back to 6 and 7? Sorry.
What?
Can we go back to 6 and 7 and stuff? I don't have those numbers. And 13 and 14.
Yeah, so 6 is 37.996.
7.
206.637.
8.
Negative 0.434.
Wait. Negative point what?
434.
9.
0.333.
And then 10. Failed, reject. 11. Second one. 12 is the second one. 13 is.
So for this one, it says 0.845.
Yep.
8. Failed, reject. And what's 14?
0.411.
0.411.
Mm-hmm.
Being saying 0 point throws me off. Anyway,
Yeah.
16. We don't know that one yet.
Right.
So we got to do 16, but 16 is showing that determine the 95% confidence interval for U1 minus U2 for the mean 1 minus mean 2. Sorry. It would have helped if I'd actually read the question, I guess. I didn't. I sped through reading.
How do you find what's the middle? So, I mean, that just means that it has to be an equal value between the two. So don't you just add them up and then divide by 2? That doesn't work. Because one's a negative.
So the difference
Well-
between the two is basically 1.467. Because
yeah,
you're
that's what-
taking,
yeah, but that doesn't make any sense.
well, you're taking
Okay.
the difference between the two means.
But your upper bound and lower bound should be within range of that margin of error, right?
We haven't got the margin of error. That's just the difference in the means.
Yeah. So that's what you plug into the equation is 1.467.
Right. So that's what,
Ha! Oh, so that's our standard deviation.
No.
no, that's the difference between the two means.
So that's the mean.
Right. So the sample difference mean thing, whatever it is. What's the formula?
I thought you were supposed to find the upper and lower bound from the margin of error.
Nope.
No. Then what am I thinking of? Because I thought like you find the margin of error, like the margin of error is like 2. And if the mean is 1, then that means it could be like 3 or negative 1 because it's like plus or minus 2.
I think
You know
you're
what?
thinking of the standard deviations. That's the only other thing I can think of that follows that pattern.
You know what? The TA will probably write something on in there after she watches it. I can't believe she has to watch all these. That's torture.
She watches all of them?
Yeah, they don't because ILM 3.0 doesn't let you know when stuff is graded. Yeah, she like writes whole entire reports like responding to what we say and stuff. She watches all of them.
That's funny. I'm so sorry, Soraya. This is so boring for you.
It's painful for us.
For real.
I literally went and bought Mountain Dew and a Butterfinger for this.
Yeah, I drank 2 bottles of that dew that you're drinking there, the pitch black. That was my breakfast this morning.
Nice. This is my 3rd Diet Coke today.
Diet Coke is so bad for you.
But it is.
The Mountain Dew is not good for you, bud. Hate to tell you. Then again, I'm drinking lemonade.
But it
so-
was. It does taste better. For real.
Is that like a 1-liter bottle?
Yeah, they're like a $1 right now.
Oh, we can't even get that in a 1-liter here.
Really?
It's only available in a 20-ounce bottle.
You gotta go to gas stations, man.
That's where I have to buy it now.
Really?
Yeah, you can only get it at the gas station in a 20-ounce bottle now.
Dude, we got great Scots, which is truly great. They even have like the regular cans of it.
Mm-hmm.
That's it. But you've gotten it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I love it.
Good.
Yeah, it's delicious.
I
Dude,
still want to
there-
know how to figure this out. It's driving me up a bleeding wall.
Me too.
So, Sarah, do you know what LARPing is?
Yes.
There were a bunch
Live
of
action
LARPers
roleplay?
down there today. Yeah. And it was really funny.
Where were they?
At Porter Park,
Oh
Like,
my
I went to go get this Mountain Dew. There was this guy with like this horn helmet on,
god.
and he was fighting off 2 other guys with like 10-foot spears.
Oh my heck.
It was the best.
All right, anybody have any guesses on 16? Because I'm coming up blank.
I'm kind of done with this crap. You know what? I'm gonna do a great guess. 1.467 divided by square root of 10 times 1.96. All right, let's just guess 0.909. Boom, done. That's
Okay.
my answer.
Okay.
Wait, I'll plug it in and I'll let you know if it's right or not. I'll let you know. Oh, please don't get me a lower score.
Oh, that would suck.
Hey, 84. 17 and 18 are both wrong.
But 16's right?
No, none of those are right. 14 was right. So just
13?
good old 13 is wrong.
How'd you get an 84?
I don't know.
And how did it come up wrong? I mean, we just put it in the right way.
Wait, 14 I got right. Did I get any of them right that I didn't the first time? No, everything was the same. I don't know. Maybe I had 14 wrong before. I think I did. Yeah. 85
Okay.
is bad though.
Yeah. Okay, well, I'll let you guys know how they got the other answers.
Okay. Yeah. I mean, I'm beyond frustrated.
Oh, I should have waited for that. What was I doing? Cool. All right. Well. All right, guys. Well, I'll catch you next week then, I guess.
Should we
Sounds
do
good.
Monday again?
Works for me.
Yeah, Monday's perfect.
7 or 7:30?
7 would be better for me, I think.
Yeah. I just had to do 7:30 tonight because, like I said, I got home late and didn't have time to do stuff. So.
Yeah, no worries.
Okay, so let's do 7 on Monday.
And if you do find out
All
how
right.
they accomplish, if they get the right answers, let me know, please.
Yeah, I'll text both of you guys.
Awesome.
Okay. Well, have a
Alright,
good
have a good
weekend.
See you, Soraya, when you watch it. Matt.
Talk to you later.
Bye.